How to import videos into Filto app. Let's quickly learn how to import videos into the Filto app so you start editing like a pro. Open the Filto app on your phone. On the home screen, tap the big plus or create new project. From the bar at top, tap videos. If it's your first time, Filter may ask for permission to access your media. Tap allow so the app can reach in gallery. Now scroll through your videos library and select the clip you want to edit. You can even pick multiple clips if you want to create a mashup. Once selected, the video will load into Plato's editor and boom. Now you can upload transition, filters, stickers, snippets to make your video pops. Check video right after importing to save editing time later. That's it. You have just imported your video into Flick and you are ready to start creating amazing edits. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick and fun tech tips. Catch you in the next one.